Direct indirect is related to the 6 steps, and these are the 6 steps. Means if the reported verb is in the past tense, then we are changing the whole in a past tense. But sometime when reported verb is in a past, then still we are not changing because of a universal truth or habit. Suppose it is written, he said, the sun rises in the east. Then he said that the sun rises in the east. Why? Because it is universal truth. Okay. Now see the table next. It is simple present will change into simple past. Present continuous will change into past continuous. Present perfect will change into past perfect. And past perfect continuous will change into present perfect continuous will change into past perfect continuous. Simple past will change into past perfect, and past perfect never changes, वो as it is रहता है. Past continuous will change into past perfect continuous. Now see the future tense. Will, shall changes into would and should plus verb की first form. Okay, we are not doing any change. Can and may change into could and might. When these are means the reported verb is in a past tense. Suppose it is written he said, then you will do these kind of changes. Okay. Again I am repeating, when the reported verb is given in a past tense, then we will do these kind of changes. Now see the another point. Update time specific words. These all are the steps of direct, indirect. Then how? See, update time specific words. Now see here, changes into there. Tomorrow changes into the next day. Today changes into that day. Yesterday changes into the previous day. This changes into that. Now changes into then. And tonight changes into that night. So these are the changes that we are doing when the reported verb is in the past tense and we are changing the reported speech in the past tense. Okay, all the types of past tense, and these are the 6 steps that we need to change. What we have to change: the subject, object, reported verb, person and tenses. These things we have to change it while we are doing direct indirect narrations. Okay. Said to change into told. Said is always said. If it is say to written, then tell. If says written, then tells. Now see, replace with that. अब that कब लगाते हैं? This also I discuss about the change of pronoun, that first person, subject, second person, we are changing according to the situation. We are changing these persons according to the situation. And these are the words that we are changing according to the indirect. Means in a direct way you will find here, but when you will change in indirect, you will get there. Direct examples, see, then you will come to know that how you have to change it. See here, it is written, she said to me, I am playing football with you. Said to is a reported verb, and this reported verb is in a past tense. So when we are removing the inverted comma, then what you have to do? The reported speech will also change into simple past. Means in a past tense, this will also change. Okay, she is a subject here. Said to is a reported verb. Me is a object. Okay, and I is a first person. You is a second person. So I will change according to the subject and you will change according to the object. Okay. She said to me. She ने किससे कहा? Me means तुमसे. Okay. And this present continuous will change into past continuous. So it is clear to you. At first you see said to will change into told. She told me. Now, I told you that when you are removing inverted commas, then what you have to do? When you are replacing that, then you will use that. She told me that she was playing football with me now. Next is, see, she said to me that. Change of pronoun, I told you she will change according to the this subject, means subject will come according to subject, object will change according to object. Okay, she I कह रहा है ना, वो अपने लिए कह रहा है. In the same manner, then she means she is a subject, so subject will change according to the subject and object will change according to the object. It means that I will change into she and you will change into me. These are the changes of pronoun. This you have to do. Okay. She said to me. So she said to whom? Me. I means I stands for she. It means she will come. Okay. Am playing. This I told you that when reported verb is in a past tense, then we are changing the tense also in a past continuous. Then we will change into the past continuous. Okay. And now this also I told you that this is the specific word and it will change. How? Now change with then. So see how we are changing. She said to me that she was playing with me then. Okay. So these are the changes. Means subject will change according to the subject, or object will change according to the object. This is the main thing that you have to remind. Now see another example here. Ram said, Shyam, I started a new job. Ram is a subject here. Said is Shyam is object here. Said is a reported verb. I started a new job. I is a first person. Started a new job, it is also in a past tense. So what I told you, that past tense will change into past perfect. How you will change? It is simple past. Now see the changes. Ram said Shyam. Ram told Shyam. Or if you want to write said, then you can write, but you have to write in place of this Ram told Shyam, then it is good. Okay. Ram said Shyam is written here, but we will change into Ram told Shyam. You can write said. It is not wrong because to is not written. So you can write said. Okay. That I started a new job. Here I is the first person. It will change according to the subject. And subject is Ram here. So he started a new job. Okay. Now see the change of tenses also. Started a new job, had started a new job. Because simple past will change into past perfect tense. See the change again. Started, had started. Okay, again I am telling you, when said is given, then you can write said, but said to is given, then you can write told. Okay, so Ram said Shyam that I started a new job. It means he started. He had started, because simple past will change into some perfect. Past perfect. See here, Ram said Shyam that he had started a new job. Now see another example. They said, we will plan a picnic tomorrow. They is a subject here. Said is a verb. We will plan. We is a first person plural number. Okay. And will is a future tense. Tomorrow, this also we will change according to the time that I told you. Tomorrow will change into the next day. So how you will change? Just see. Because to is not given, then what you will do? They said. Then said is said. No change. Okay. See here. Said is written. Then you will write again said here. After that, while removing the inverted commas, then you will write that. See how? They said that. Yes. After that, you have to change we according to the subject. Means they is pronoun, and that pronoun we will change according to the subject. We is also pronoun. So it will change. We will change into they. Okay? Because subject will change according to the subject. Now change of tenses. I told you will change into would, shall change into should, may change into might. So according to the reported verb, RV is a reported verb. It is said जब वो past में है, then everything you will change in the past. So will change into would. And when I am talking about the words, then tomorrow will change into the next day. So they said that they would plan a picnic the next day. Now see another example. The teacher said to the students, the sun rises in the east. I told you when there is a universal truth, जो चीज़ें हमेशा एक जैसी रहती हैं, it is called universal truth. That universal truth, we are not changing the tenses. It will always come in a present tense. Okay? Now see how the teacher is a subject here. Said is a reported verb and the student is a object. So how we are changing? Again said to is given, then to is given. It means that you have to change into the told. Okay? How? The teacher told the students. And while you are removing inverted commas, then you have to write that. Okay? And simple present will never change. Why? Because of the universal truth. The fact. It is universal fact. So it is not going to change in a past. ये as it is लिख दिया जाएगा. जहाँ भी आपको universal truth मिलते हैं वो change नहीं होते. Okay? The sun rises in the east. It is universal truth. So it is not going to change into past tense. No. See how you will change? The teacher told the teacher told the students that The sun rises in the east. Means it is universal truth. So there is no need of changing the tense here. We will write as it is. No change. The teacher told the student that the sun rises in the east. Okay. Now another example, see. He says to me, I am running. Says to. Ab says to is given. It means that it is simple present. And simple present, again there is a present form. So at first I will identify here. So he is a subject. Says to is a reported verb. And me is the object. I is a first form here. Am running, it is in a present continuous. It means that reported verb is also in a present tense and reported speech is also in a present tense. So in that situation, we are not going to change it in a past. If the reported verb is in a simple present tense, then we will change it into simple present all the means complete sentence. See, he tells me I am running. Then at first remove inverted commas. In place of inverted comma, you have to use that. So here he tells me that. Now change of pronoun. I will change according to the subject. So subject is he, then he will come here. He, after that, am running. So in place of am, we have to use is. Why? Because in simple present, we cannot change it into simple past. When reported verb is in a present, then reported speech will also come in a past. He tells me that he is running. Now, it is clear.